Hello guys, when I run sudo apt-get update on my machine, received the error. See the error. I have received error saying skipping acquired of configured file main binary-i386 packages as repository. This release doesn't support architecture 1386. I have received this error because I have kept multi-architecture. Let's verify architecture by running the command dpkg print architecture. See, my architecture is AMD 64-bit architecture. Solution is we have to disable this architecture by using sudo dpkg remove architecture 1386. We have successfully done. Now run the command sudo apt-get update. See, now the error has been gone. So in this video we have seen solution for skipping acquire of configured file main binary i386 packages as repository. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.